Another example, this cover holder for the USB card reader. You see, the cover would just be left loose lying around when this was inserted into the computer. Now I have a 3D printed holder that fits onto the back there and holds the cover, so the cover cannot get lost. Here's another example. My SD cards were lying all over the place and USB sticks, so you can 3D print a stand to keep them all neatly organized. Here are two more examples. A vase, and this guy is known as an umarel. It's one of those people you see standing around watching council workers work. Okay, so now in conclusion, I just want to clarify that this whole argument is from the point of view of a do-it-yourself 3D printer using an affordable do-it-yourself kit, and I just wanted to show the resources at your disposal. So that anyone who is considering 3D printing or who thinks it's a waste of time can get the correct perspective. Now, if you want 3D print without all the hassle and without trial and error and perfect prints, then by all means you can go to the printers costing thousands of dollars, which have interlocks which tell you when you run out of filament or when your printer has stopped, or all sorts of safeguards for perfect prints. But you have to go to the big boys and printers costing in tens of thousands of dollars. So here is the first resource is modeling package. This one is Fusion 360. You can draw up anything you want, and you just create an STL file and send it to your to your slicer. Here's another job that I did. Just finding it. Yes, here. So this Fusion 360 is free to hobbyists. Now this is another example. This is the last example. This is a Voronoi pattern. So it's like a bracelet, and it can only be printed by 3D. And here is the print. It has to be finished still because the supports have to be trimmed off, but you can see that's the print. So once you've created your model, you can use a program called Repetier, and you can download it in here, and you can create it slices the model, and here you see you can just check every layer of print. And your whole print can be checked, and this is also free. It's a free package. Then the other resource that you have is Marlin, that helps set up the configuration of your printer, and you have a configuration file which sets all the parameters. Some of the problems people have is with the G code. Now the G code which is generated by this by the slicer depends on your slicer configuration, and this is where you end up with problems, because there's all sorts of settings that need to be adjusted to suit the part that you're printing, and that only comes with experience. So I hope I've helped to clarify the argument whether 3D printing is a waste. And as you can see, it is very useful for someone who wants to just dabble about with the odd job here and there. Oh, another resource that you have is this Thingiverse. It has hundreds of files that are available to, you can just download files and print a job, measuring tube. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need any further information, leave a comment and I'll get back as soon as I can. And if you require any links, also let me know. Thank you. Bye.